Hello YouTube, here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got this in. It is Men Behind the Sun Trilogy. This is the original. Men Behind the Sun 2, Laboratory of the Devil. And the third one is Men Behind the Sun 3, A Narrow Escape. So let's get this unboxing going, yeah. Alright guys, let's start with the original here. As you can see, it comes in a slip case, not a slip cover. That's the MO of Massacre video. Originally this was supposed to be released in 4K UHD, but I guess that didn't happen. Probably one of the most controversial films of our time. It looks very nice. If you want to pause that and read it, I got 15. Same thing written on the back. I definitely rented this back in the day, so only a disc. And of course the other side of the insert. Now you can buy these individually. I think Orbit DVD said they were going to have these coming in their store. Next up is Men Behind the Sun 2. This, I remember the VHS cover, but I think I've seen it such a long time ago. You want to pause and read that? Very nice artwork on this. Now these are all, I think these are all restored from the original camera elements. I can't tell what that is. Oh, I probably can't show that. And the last one is Men Behind the Sun 3, A Narrow Escape. Now I have heard there's a fourth film, but I guess they couldn't get the rights to that. There's a very nice slipcover on there. Want to pause and read that? And just the disc. Looks like a soldier going crazy shooting. And just to take a good look at the slip cases, they are very thin, so be aware of that. But very nice art on it. And that's it, guys. So hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.